Hey there, everybody. Thomas with Basecamp Trading. It is Wednesday, July 2nd, and we're going to take a look here at one of the trades from the trading room today, and that is SBET, S-B-E-T. And so far, it's doing really well. It's something I'm currently, in full disclosure, I have shares as well as options. Here's where the options are at right now. We're up 75% on the options and 30% on some I added not that long ago. But with that being said, I do think this has potential to keep moving. This is a stock that's been basing for a while, and we're seeing crypto really start to pop right now. And SBET is trying to be the MSTR MicroStrategy of Ethereum, essentially. So far it's working really well. We've hit our first targets. I've taken off half of my options already, leaving the rest on as runners. But when we look at this and we zoom out, the next big resistance we're looking for here is going to be right around 1282, and then we get through that, we're looking at a ton of resistance up around 14 and a quarter. So my next target for this is really about the $14 level. And then if you go back even further, you have a huge gap to fill all the way up to like the $30 level. And SBET has been a stock that's squeezed previously. I mean, we squeezed all the way up to 120 plus. So keep an eye on it. This has potential to really run in the coming next few days, especially if we can get crypto to really start to move here, which I think we have potential for Bitcoin to really run. If you take a look at what we're doing with Bitcoin right now, which is my largest position by far, we're starting to break out of this textbook just consolidation. So we rallied, pulled back into what we call a micro trend, or a lot of people will call it a flag, and we're triggering that trendline break today. So I think we have a lot of upside to go with Bitcoin, assuming we can get above 110,650. And again, if you've been in the trading room with me, or if you've been a part of Basecamp, we've been talking about this being our biggest swing, and that we have high expectations for this to really perform well in the next 2 months or so, in July and August, and looking for a move up to like the 125,000 for the first target on Bitcoin. So if we can get crypto to really get hot here and start to pop, we could see SBET really take off and push back up to that $20 or even $30 level to fill that gap. So keep an eye on it. Overall, not a bad day. Doing really well, actually. But that's it for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time, everybody, thanks for watching and happy trading.